Welcome to Lesson 1. In this course, we will have an introduction session to introduce you to the program itself, being Unreal Engine. We will have a look at the other programs that we will be using, such as 3ds Max and Photoshop. We will also have a look at your following time frames as to see where it is that we need to be at a specific time during the course. We'll have a look at previous experience and how that can benefit you, and if you have none, where we are standing and with the basic principles of our course. Thereafter, we will have a look at your PC requirements in order to run Unreal Engine smoothly. Diving into the course outline, we will see that we are going through the setting up of Unreal Engine 5 to get to know the program and to get to know the course and the structure and the tools that we use. The installation and basic setup of this we will go through in detail. We will have a look at basic navigation and tools to better understand the interface and the essential tools we use in the program. We will be creating your first project, where we will be building a small scene. We will have a look at importing and managing assets, where we will be bringing in 3D models and textures. We will have a look at lighting and materials in order to create realistic lighting and materials as we see them in our environment. We'll also have a look at blueprints in BASIC to introduce you to the visual scripting that Unreal Engine uses. We will go through animation and cinematics in order to add movement and create cinematic sequences, and also have a look at high-resolution screen images that we can render out. In the segment of optimization and performance, we will go through the process to ensure your project runs smoothly. And then in a final project, we will bring everything together in a comprehensive project. As mentioned with the programs we will use, we will have a look at 3ds Max in our instance. There are other programs that you are able to use, such as Blender and SketchUp. In our scenario for this course, we will have a look at 3ds Max. We'll also work with Photoshop, which is a program we utilize in order to create and edit our textures, which we will use inside our Unreal Engine. The timeframes we are looking at in the course is structured to be completed over a period of 12 weeks, with each lesson designed to take about 1 to 2 hours of your time, and we can have a look at the breakdown as scheduled. In the first 2 weeks, we will have a look at lesson 1 to 5, where we deal with the basic setup and navigation. In weeks 3 to 4, we'll deal with lessons 6 to 9, in where we will have a look at asset management and scene creation. Thereafter, in weeks 5 and 6, we're going more in detail with making it more realistic during lessons 10 to 13, as we deal with lighting, materials, and blueprints. In weeks 7 to 8, we will have a look at lessons 14 to 17, in which we deal with animations, our cinematics, and optimization. Thereafter, we're followed by the foliage segment, and we have a look at TV videos, sequences, and high-resolution renders. Thereafter, in the final product, we will have a look at your final project and review what we have learned. Of course, you can go at your own pace, but this schedule will help you keep on track. With this course, we require no prior experience with Unreal Engine or a 3D modeling program. We'll start from the basics and gradually build up your skill. However, if you have some background in 3D modeling, be it in the art or be it in programming or game design, you'll find it beneficial. The key is to stay curious and keep practicing. As for the PC requirements, to run Unreal Engine smoothly, you'll need a computer that meets the following minimum requirements. An operating system we recommend is Windows, be it Windows 10 or 11, with a 64-bit. The processor we are looking at is a quad-core Intel or AMD processor with at least 2.5 GHz or faster, and memory we are looking at 16 GB of RAM. With a graphics card that's compatible with DirectX 11 or DirectX 12, and for storage we are looking at a 512 GB SSD or larger. Having a more powerful system will certainly enhance your experience, especially when working on complex scenes. That's it for our introduction. I hope you're as excited as I am to embark on this journey into Unreal Engine. Remember, the key to success is practice and persistence. Let's get started with Lesson 2, where we will set up Unreal Engine and get ready to create our first project. See you there.